Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered just how small we really are? What if our entire universe, every star, planet, and person, is actually inside a black hole? This isn't just science fiction, some physicists are seriously considering it. To understand why, let's rewind the universe's story. We know the universe is expanding, galaxies moving apart like dots on an inflating balloon. If we go back far enough, everything was squeezed into a single, unimaginably dense point, the Big Bang. This singularity is where our laws of physics break down. But singularities aren't unique to the Big Bang, they also exist at the heart of black holes. Black holes form when massive stars collapse, creating a point of no return, the event horizon. The similarity between the Big Bang and black holes has led scientists to a profound question. Could our universe itself be inside a black hole? We have two cosmic singularities, the Big Bang and the core of a black hole. Traditionally, one marks a beginning, the other an end. But what if they're connected? Some theories suggest that when a star collapses into a black hole in another universe, it could spark a new universe, ours, on the other side. This black hole cosmology imagines a cosmic family tree, where every black hole births a new universe. Our universe could be just one of countless offspring, each with its own Big Bang. Physicists like Nikodem Poplawski propose that the extreme conditions inside black holes could trigger this cosmic rebirth. In this view, the death of a star in one universe becomes the birth of another. The black hole cosmology hypothesis doesn't just offer a wild origin story, it could solve real cosmic mysteries. For example, our universe is remarkably uniform in temperature, even in regions that should never have interacted. The standard model uses cosmic inflation to explain this, but the black hole model suggests our universe's matter was mixed inside a collapsing star before the Big Bang. This would naturally smooth things out. Another mystery. Why does time only move forward? The arrow of time could be inherited from the collapse that formed our universe. If we're inside a black hole, the event horizon is our universe's edge, a boundary we can never cross. We'd be forever trapped inside our own bubble of space-time, unable to see the parent universe. The night sky we see could be the inside of a black hole, with our universe expanding within. It's a radical idea, but it fits some of the strangest features of our cosmos. Could this be the true story of our universe's birth? Imagine being surrounded by a cosmic fog, the event horizon, beyond which nothing can escape or be seen. Our entire universe, with billions of galaxies, could be contained within this invisible boundary. The edge isn't a wall but a limit to space-time itself. This means our universe might be just one bubble among countless others, each with its own laws of physics. Most universes would be sterile, but with infinite chances, some, like ours, would support life. This is cosmic natural selection. Universes that make more black holes create more offspring. Our universe is good at making black holes, so its laws may have been selected for that reason. Can we test this? Maybe. Some scientists look for signs of a cosmic spin inherited from a parent universe. If we ever detect such a rotation, it could be evidence we're inside a spinning black hole. Until then, the event horizon remains our ultimate cosmic mystery. If this theory is true, black holes aren't just endings, they're beginnings. Every black hole could be a womb for a new universe, making the cosmos a living, ever-recycling system. Our universe would be part of a vast family tree, stretching back through generations of stars and black holes. The black holes we see today might be the ancestors of countless future realities. Even if our universe ends, new ones will be born from its remnants. The process of creation is ongoing, happening every time a massive star collapses. Whether or not we live inside a black hole, exploring these ideas pushes the boundaries of science and imagination. The universe is full of wonders still waiting to be discovered.